It's 6 o'clock p.m. February 25th, 2026. Alright, we are 2 days past the blizzard. That's the curb line right here. We still didn't get a plow down the street. That's the curb line right here. Lindenhurst, how come we are not getting plows? These fucking streets are so narrow. This is the curb line right here. This is the curb right here. This is bullshit. This is the edge of the driveway right here. We got 7 feet of unplowed snow right here. You guys want no cars in the street so you can plow? It's fucking Wednesday evening now. You had 2 fucking days to do this. Bullshit, Lindenhurst. Bullshit. Wednesday evening, 6:01 p.m. Wednesday night, February 25th, 2026. Bullshit. The blizzard is long over. Where are the fucking plows at? Push the snow to their curbs.